What's up, guys? We're here at the garage now. We got the beamer over here. It's getting a little work done to it. There's the giveaway turbo. Make sure you follow them directions so you can get that thing. I'll go ahead and get my truck in here in a minute and we'll get started on it. What's up, guys? We're gonna start on the wing, get it done. I've previously made this before. I need to redo it, so I'm going to redo it later on down the road, and I'll walk you guys through it. Temporarily, I'm going to use this one for now just to get it on because there's holes in my tailgate, obviously, and it looks like poop. So I'm gonna go ahead and I was gonna put it together the other night. And I got in a hurry. I did it backwards, so it's not gonna fit 100% right, and I'm gonna make it fit as best as I can, even though I need to redo it. So I've got to drill out a couple rivets and then put it back together. So let's get started.
Right, but they can't keep pace, so we're heading full speed in the lane, still getting it. 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 Still getting it, still getting it, still getting it. Yeah, out here we're still getting it. More food, more love, still getting it. Beggar fan rapping like that, still getting it, getting it. Sound like the best, still getting it. Yeah, out here we're still getting it. 10 years deep in the game, still getting it.
Alright, so we got the turnbuckles on. This actually allows it to where you can adjust them. You can turn them in and out. It allows you to adjust them. It's pretty simple. It's not an intricate design. The hardest part of making this wing is tracing out the tailgate line of your truck. But with some patience and time, you can get it done. Now all we got to do is drill out a couple more holes, rivet this hinge on, and we'll mount it on the truck. And she'll be done.
More food, more love, still getting it. Beggar fan rapping like that, still getting it, getting it. Sound like the best, still getting it. Yeah, out here we're still getting it. 10 years deep in the game, still getting it. Beggar fan rapping like that, still getting it, getting it. Sound like the best, still getting it. Still getting it. Still getting it. Still getting it.
So we've got the hinge on the wing. I've only put a couple rivets here and there. That way it makes it a little bit more flexible. That way you can align the bolts a little bit easier. I've already got all the holes drilled into my truck from previous. So I'm gonna go over here and get it screwed on, and then we'll drill a couple more holes and we'll go ahead and finish putting the rivets in, and it'll be done. Okay, so got the wing all put together. I'm getting ready to screw it on here to the tailgate, and then we'll put the turnbuckles into the tailgate, and we'll adjust it and get it to where it looks good, and it'll be done. So let's go ahead and screw in these umpteen million screws.
Yeah, out here we're still getting it. 10 years deep in the game, still getting it. Beggar fan rapping like that, still getting it, getting it. Sound like the best, still getting it. Heading full speed in the lane, still getting it.
Alright guys, so I got the wing done. Got all the holes drilled and stuff like that. I got it mounted. So here's the finished product. So there it is. You got your adjustable turnbuckles. Nice, simple little duckbill. I think it looks pretty good. Only thing sucks is you have to drill into your tailgate, but you know, whatever. And there it is. Here's a good look of it. Give you a little walk around. Adds a little kapow to that butt into your truck. So there it is. On to the train horn.